quick video of our Mega Duramax. This truck is set up for mud bogging or tractor pulling. Currently sitting on 44-inch boggers with 20 by 14 fuel hostage wheels, big shot coilovers, sway bar system, 4-linked scatter shields on the drive shafts at the U-joints, blockouts on the back for tractor pulling, sled pulling, and a custom-made hitch system that we use that's adjustable depending on what hitch height you're looking for. Disc brakes front and back, FASS fuel system. This truck was a stock 2004 truck that we converted years ago. As a matter of fact, the customer did the first conversion, then we did the second go round, and then the previous customer did the third. So basically this was a stock truck that they had. They bought all the components from us and originally did it as leaf springs and put it on 49-inch tires. Then we added the tow hitch system, tractor pulling hitch system. We did the scatter shields for the drive shafts and did a few other changes. Then we traded the truck in, sold it again. And then this customer did the 4-link with the cradle and the coilovers, which are adjustable. Lots of adjustment left, so this truck could go up a whole lot more in height. The drive shaft angles are beautiful, but right now it clears a 49 easily. They had test fit a 54 on here and said it was no problem. So truck still has heat and AC, has an exhaust stack in the back. This truck can still be driven down the street, other than the gear ratio is extremely steep because of the quick change transfer case. So even that problem could be corrected if you change the gear ratio out. But pretty cool setup. It gears out at like 30 miles an hour now without screaming. But if you change that, you could make a street drive truck. Or perfect setup right now for pulling. This truck's on the internet. You can YouTube, Google it, whatever. You'll find a lot of videos of it pulling, even a couple where it's back-to-back pulling in Florida. Sled pulling is kind of its main forte, but also cool in the mud. Throw some tractor tires on it. 2.5-ton axles, and they have been converted to 8 lug. If you see, it's got the really nice lug conversion hubs, so you can run any kind of wheel you want, or you can put it back to 2.5-ton pattern, but they're over some Super 8 hub conversions. Starts, runs, drives, operates. Still got an Allison transmission. It's a 2-wheel drive transmission setup, and Duramax 6.6 diesel. You'll also see in the background there the other Mega monster truck. That's on 5 tons with 74-inch tires. Kind of makes Big Red here look like a little baby. A few other classics that rolled in today. New C8 Vet. 6-door King Ranch Super Duty. Anyway, keep an eye on our inventory. If you're interested in trucks, that's our main business. Davis Off-Road is also the off-road shop that does the customizing. Reach out to my brothers there. If you're looking for a classic car, showroom's getting ready to be full of them, so keep an eye out. DavisAutoSales.com, Davis4x4.com, above average trucks. Also a few boats left in stock that will be being blown out for the winter here shortly. Definitely jump on the website and take a look. Very rare the showroom's this empty. Getting cleaned up right now. A bunch of classics arriving and a couple high-end supercars. There's the websites right there. Be sure to take a look. Thanks for watching.